Struggling to make sense of all those textbooks? Did you know creating a mental framework before studying can boost retention by up to 30%? Let's explore how you can study smarter, not harder. Before diving in, give the chapter a quick speed read tour. Look out for bold words, key points, and subheadings. They're like cheat codes for your brain. Create a broad mental framework. This gives this structure to what you're about to learn and connect the dots as you go. Skim the text and jot down 15-20 keywords. No need to dive too deep, just build a basic structure in your mind to organize everything. Pre-test yourself. Wolters Kluwer books bring you the best-in-class MCQs to train your brain. Grab one today and see how many you can crack in under 2 minutes. Think of it as a fun challenge to spot weak spots and prep your brain for some serious learning. Ready to study smarter? Check out Wolters Kluwer resources and take your MBBS journey to the next level. Available now on Amazon.